So I did it. I bought myself a Bambu Labs P1S Combo kit. So Bambu Labs had a flash sale and had about $500–600 off, so I bit the bullet and bought one. My last printer was a Creality and it was hard to level the bed, the nozzle kept getting blocked, there was issues with the extruder, I had to buy upgrade parts, and hopefully from all the reviews that I've heard from friends and online that the Bambu Labs just works. My last 3D printer, I was printing props for myself, for friends, family, gifts, prototypes, spare parts. One of the things that I've got here at the moment that's still left in the workshop is my R2-D2 head that I was building. Coming along good, however, as you can see, the Creality had some issues with layers. I had to redo some parts over and over again. It wasn't a great experience. I built a life-size proton pack and put the electronics in it. That came out great, but as time went on, things became a little bit harder and not as good quality. You can see that there. I've got this one now, so hopefully I've got a few projects that I want to do, things I want to build, things I want to make, things I want to prototype. So let's get into it. So it's been 48 hours later and here we are. I've printed out a few tests. I've printed my benchy. I've printed some small little tools, but more importantly is I've started on my life-size C-3PO. Looking at the build quality, my Creality could never get this quality. Obviously it didn't do bed leveling or anything like that, but this one is absolutely fantastic. This is the back part. This took about 6 hours, and this is the front part, which took about 8 hours. And now I've just got a load of parts just finished printing now, and before I call it a day I'll set some more up there. So let's take it out. These will be the eyes. Like so. And these will be the side pieces of the helmet. One thing I like about this is these are the tree supports that hold the model up as it's printing to give it structure and support, and these can be easily broken away. Yeah, I think that's a pretty neat thing. The best part about Bambu Labs is the app, which makes things a lot easier. So what we can do is we can select our printer, select what we want to print. It says here that we've already printed the head back, head front, head parts. I want to do the neck now. Everything else is set. I'm happy with that. I might use the white PLA, Confirm. I've ticked bed leveling and time lapse. Now I'll just go start print. What that'll do is it'll download the model, slice it, and then upload it to the printer. As you can see, the printer's now starting to kick off.